This is free money, you guys. I made almost $1 million from a 7-minute. 3 business ideas that will make you millions in 2024 and beyond. No experience, no money needed, and a lot of persons are sleeping on this tea about to get for free. If you're a student, you stay at home mom, like it is open to anybody and to any gender. And guess what, guys? A lot of persons who knows about these ideas do not share it for free. So I'm going to be spilling a hot tea to you for free. So the only way you can tell me thank you, Precious, for sharing this secret with me is by subscribing to join me here and bring me a little bit closer to attaining my 500 subscribers. And giving this video a big thumbs up. It is so free. And guess what, guys? When you subscribe to my channel, he does not take money from your bank account and he does not take your data. And I'm sharing with you ideas you're going to be making millions from. Just do that for me to say thank you. So please subscribe. Hit on the subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much if you've gone ahead to subscribe to me. Number 2 and number 3 are my favorite. Now let's get started with this video. The number 1 idea is to sell a product. I know you've heard this a couple of times. Sell a product. Precious, say something else. And I know, yes. And moreover, you said in this video that no money or experience is needed. You guys, calm down and let me finish. Yes. The number 1 idea is to sell a product. It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product, or it can be a skill. And yes, I was correct when I said you don't need money or experience in order to kickstart these ideas. Let's say as a content creator that I'm very good with video editing. Don't you know that there are people out there who are willing to spend their money just to learn one-on-one tutorial on how to edit videos? So if you're watching me and you know you can edit video, this is something you can market and you sell it. You teach people how to edit video and you make money out of it. Aside from video editing, any skill you know you're very good at, maybe you're very good at cooking food, right? You can start up a business where you cook food, you sell it to people who do not have time to cook. You're selling a product, right? Or maybe you're very good with web designing or product design. You guys, these are things, all you need to do is market yourself to the right audience and you share your knowledge with them in exchange for their money. And if you want to level up and invest in it, right, and you have the money, of course you can invest your capital, because I said no money is needed does not mean that if you have money you should not invest. Or in case you don't have capital to start but you still want to make money, you guys, there are so many persons out there who are willing to learn what you know and pay you for it. So that is it for number 1. Now let's boil down to number 2. Oh my goodness. If you know you've heard about this number 2 from Sway, just let me know in the comment section. This is the first place you're going to hear this. And the few persons who know about this do not like to share it with anybody. The second idea I'm about to share with you on how to make money in 2024 and level up your finance is, guess, guys, just guess. There is no way you're going to guess this correct, so don't bother. Let me just share this with you. This is free money, you guys. This is free money. And you know you're subscribed to me. Subscribe. That's the only thing you can do for me to say thank you, Precious. Now, the second idea is to save your money in different currencies that are higher than your country's currency. Oh my goodness. This is free tip and you can make millions from just saving your money in different currencies. I'm a Nigerian and if you know, you know. I mean no shade to the Naira currency, but other currencies keep appreciating and Naira keeps depreciating, right? So as a Nigerian, there's something they call domiciliary account, in case you don't know. When you open a domiciliary account, you'll be able to have foreign accounts like the pounds account, the dollar account, and the euro account. For instance, you guys, I have 100,000 Naira that I'm not using. Instead of leaving it in your Naira bank account and when you want to withdraw it is still the 100,000 Naira going to withdraw, why not save it in other foreign currencies like the euro account, the pounds account, or the dollar account? And when this money appreciates, you take the interest and leave the capital there and go and enjoy or invest in other businesses or save again. And guess what, guys, even when you want to take that money, you still know that your 100,000 Naira is there. Meanwhile, it's yielding you some. Do you understand? Has anyone ever shared this idea with you? I guess not. So tell me thank you by subscribing, alright? We are down to the main oga of the show. Probably you must have heard the couple of times, but you feel it's not for you. Now the third idea on how you can make millions in this 2024 and beyond is to become a content creator. Don't click out yet. Don't click out. I know you're about to say, how can I be a content creator? Let me just break this down simple to you. Being a content creator is not as hard as you see it to be, right? Who is a creator? In a layman's knowledge, a creator is basically someone who has a camera and you record everything or anything you see and you find interesting and post it online, and people resonate with you, watch it, and stick around with you, and you build a community online. And what kind of content can you create? You don't need to be an expert, or you don't need to sit down like me and start teaching people how to make money and level up their finance. You don't need to do all of this official, formal, or whatever. You're living alone, right? If you find your life interesting, there's someone out there who wants to share in your life. You can start up living alone diaries. Maybe a business owner, whatever you say, you can start up a platform online where you share your day-to-day activities. You're cooking, you record yourself. Your routines, you record yourself. And trust me, whether you like it or not, there's definitely somebody out there who is going to resonate with you and who is going to stick with you through the journey of your content creating. So you don't need to be an expert, and there is no special way to actually become a content creator. You might be thinking that how can you make millions? You guys, I just posted a video recently of how much Facebook paid me for one video of 7 minutes 28 seconds. I'm going to link it up here or here for you to go and watch and find out. I made almost $1 million from a 7 minute video, and imagine the money I've made from other videos. Which 8 to 5 job is going to pay you this if not content creation, which is the new oil money? If you're still watching up to this moment, this might be a sign from God sending me to you to kickstart your content creation journey. Now, the best time I would have started creating content was yesterday, and the second best time is today. So this is a sign that you should get up, stop feeling lazy, stop thinking of what people are going to say, stop thinking that your life is not interesting. Pick up your phone and start recording and start creating and making millions out of just living your life. All right, we are currently in an age and era where you don't need a DSL camera, all those compact cameras, for you to start creating content. With your phone, you can kickstart this. So you're already making use of your phone. Why not use your phone to make money? You see a lot of content creators building houses, buying cars, living a luxurious lifestyle. I think there is something very special that are doing. You guys know social media is a new oil money, and if you can only pick up the courage and start creating content, trust me, you're going to level up your lifestyle and your finance in this 2024 and beyond. If you summon the courage to create your first video, just let me know. Definitely I'll come there, watch your video, and leave a comment cheering you up. All right, so these are the 3 ways I have to share with you. So if you know you've watched this video up to this moment, please give the video a thumbs up, and I don't want this to be your last time here, so please subscribe. Now, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.